Hi guys, welcome back. So this is day 2 in Lagos. I came in yesterday and I'm going out right now. I'm actually bored, so I googled cafes around and I saw one black cafe, so I'm just going to go there and see, so I can sit down there and work and probably, just chill. Yeah, so stuff like this, but bro, hi guys. So I left the apartment where I was staying and now I'm at a cafe. Good morning guys, good morning. I'm up and it's day 3 in Lagos, Nigeria. I don't know what to do today. I don't like going out so much. I love and enjoy my space, my home. I love comfort. Plus, everywhere is just so busy, the traffic and all. So I've been contemplating if I should go out today or not. But I don't know. I might probably just go out, find a place to go chill. I have 2 places I'm considering. One is the Nike Art Gallery, and the second place is Lagos Conservation Center. So I'm thinking, right? We have Nike Art Gallery in Abuja, so why do I have to go there? Do you get? So I might end up going to the Lekki Conservation Center. Well, we'll see. I finally made up my mind that I'll go out. I mean, I'm in Lagos, so yeah, so I'm going out. I'm not sure where I'm going yet, but I think I'll just go to the Lekki Conservation Center. So guys, see you when I get there. Got the ticket and now finding my way. Hello. What's your name? Sorry.
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Juliana.
Juliana. You guys look good.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Afisana.
Magic Audiio. Just that. That's my channel started behind her. Like that. No, female. Mare. The darkest one, the quack say quack. And it's coalescing around swampy. Look for sing, love the nation. Love in the song. We are going on it. We are of the ants hills in the past. I'm gonna say look for say she's gonna say love in nature. What? Baboon. Baboon, they grow bigger in size and they're very wild. Okay? Please, we're gonna see.
Is the eye for me though?
Oh my good God.
from the skin of the cigarette is used for perfumes.
Okay.
And the shoot of it, after being processed,
This is a TikTok video.
Yes.
TikTok
Jesus.
video.
So we have a Pincher over there. Pincher is Mona Monkey. Can you say hi, Pincher?
Hi, Pincher.
So here we have Jagaban. Can you say hi, Jagaban?
Hi, Jagaban.
So here we have Alex. This is Alex. Alex is Red Cap Magabi. Alex is the very funny one. I'm also a jealous monkey. He doesn't like seeing man and woman together. Alex, I see this guy.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, mine do. So that is Alex. And here we have the lady that divorced him. And then you brought me to the makeup artist. She can make someone up to place before she loves to keep her house. So why did she divorce him? Because the guy is not romantic. He don't know how to handle a man. So we have Stella, this Jagabang girlfriend. We have Jackie Chan. We have value.
Wow.
Value on everything. We feed on rice, beans, spaghetti, indomie, amala, salmon. They drink coke, Fanta, they drink months, they eat shawarma, they eat soup, they chew chicken. So anything after we eat, that is what they eat. Any question for you?
head. All right, the tree that we're about to see right there is close to 3 years big because of development. These are the young acre trees. Please take note of this. You can see how straight they are. So we got the young ones from the forest to back them so that people can buy and plant. Okay? And we named the forest after this tree. This is the training ground. They do come in here for the training every Saturday. They are the guys that David do this for. I sing my alcohol. Life is a fashion park. Okay? To face, 3 square, Yana, nice, so we can play some able, some baby waiting supper, that's my weekend pointer. Then lay them toucher, I make the lanes go, place go. Vultures, life in Lufasi Nature Park. Vultures are going into extinction, wiping out in Lagos. So we are protecting them from going into extinction. Vulture prevents what? Love in nature, look fast, see. All right, that's the watchtower platform.
You can use it to see all of the forest.
Okay, that's the acre tree. Oh. You can see how big it is. Okay, it's to raise on these trees to help them to see far. This is forest basin, the same sign here, the same thing here. Restricted to nature. What we are doing right now is called what? For forest bathing. Restricted. I go more on it.
This is so beautiful, guys. I love it. I think when we are going back. Okay, you want video?
Look for see.
Loving nature.
Love in nature.
Look for see.
Thank you, sir.
No, this one. Oh, the guy is this.
Peace. Hi guys. Oh my, hi, look, I had so much fun here. I met so many amazing people and I am so happy I made this trip. So now I'm going back home. This is to 7 and I don't want to be late. Bye. Hey guys. So today is 6th of October and is, I think, day 5. Yeah, day 5 in Lagos. Yesterday was supposed to be day 4, but I didn't vlog because I was literally home all day. I was actually very tired from where I went on Saturday. That is the park I visited. So yesterday was basically a rest and eat day. But today I'm up now. I don't know. I'm expecting something actually for work. I have work tomorrow, so I'm expecting a package to come in. I'll get it and then I'll know what I'll do next. Good night. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Bye. Oh my god, thank you. I'll see you guys when we are done.
Baby, you don't want to dash me money. Eh? You don't have a fine boy. Oh. You don't want to dash me money. Yes, that is why I want to collect your money. If you are not fine, I don't will even carry you. Talk to say, give me money.
Guys, last